The Infinix Hot 70 Pro Plus 5G, upgraded with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, would easily step into true flagship territory, delivering ultra-fast performance that handles heavy multitasking, high-end gaming, and demanding AI features without breaking a sweat. With this chipset powering the device, users can expect smooth app switching, stable frame rates in competitive games, and premium-level efficiency that keeps heat under control even during extended use. What truly makes this phone stand out, however, is the massive 9000 mAh battery, offering insane endurance that can last well beyond a full day, making it perfect for power users, travelers, and mobile gamers who hate constantly reaching for a charger. On the photography side, the inclusion of a jaw-dropping 400MP main camera sensor would redefine detail and clarity, capturing ultra-sharp images with impressive zoom potential, enhanced night shots, and professional-level photography output that competes with top flagship camera phones. Paired with a vibrant high-refresh rate AMOLED display, fast 5G connectivity, and flagship-style optimization, this version of the Hot 70 Pro Plus 5G would feel like a premium powerhouse built for users who want extreme battery life, cutting-edge performance, and next-level camera capabilities all in one device.